Please hold while we connect you to the customer service department. Good evening. Thank you for calling Glenville South Shore. Malvina speaking. How may I help you?
Yeah, who's in charge over there?
Speaking.
Yeah, what's your name?
Malvina.
Yeah, what do you have to do with these bagger people? The people that are bagging my groceries.
I'm sorry. You're speaking very loudly. I can't really hear what you're saying.
Okay, let me lower my voice, or let me lower the tone. One of your baggers, I think his name is Felipe. He cut a hole in my bag.
Cut a hole in your bag?
Yeah, he cut a hole in my bag.
You have a bagger named Felipe? You have a bagger named Felipe?
And I was walking to my car, and a whole bunch of my soup fell out of my bag. 2 birds came and they stole my cans of soup. And I know this guy Felipe is playing tricks on me because he's done this once or twice before.
Okay, I'd like to apologize. Unfortunately, we don't have a bagger by the name of Felipe.
Are you sure? He's a short little guy. He's got a crooked eye.
Sir, again, we don't have a bagger by the name of Felipe, but if you did lose a few items, please feel free to come into the store with your receipt.
Yeah, but these birds flew off with my cans of soup. What are you going to do about it?
Ma'am? Excuse me, sir?
Did you call me ma'am?
Sir.
You know what? Now I'm insulted. I'm very insulted.
Sir?
Yes, you know what? Maybe I'll send some birds over there to steal soup from your store.
You have a great evening.